Today, I have a house for you that is ready for today, and it'll also be ready for your tomorrows. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at 6551 South Springs in Casper, Wyoming. This home is 1,600 square foot on the main level and has an unfinished 1,600 square foot basement, ready for you. It has been framed out. This home currently has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I cannot wait to show you the inside. Let's go look around. Right off the bat, as you walk into this home, you're going to see why it feels so homey. You have this large family room. It goes right into the dining room and then the kitchen. Now, y'all know that I love when the kitchen cannot be seen when you walk in the front door because you can have dishes in the sink. I'm not the girl that has no dishes in the sink. Anyway, I love the shape of this kitchen. I love that it has hardwood floors and my favorite, a double oven. This ranch style home offers main level living because you have the laundry room on the main level. You also have 3 bedrooms, including a large primary suite. Let's check that out first. From the primary suite, you actually can see part of Casper Mountain. It has a walk-in closet. These 2 sinks and vanity are separate from the bathroom area. And then of course we have the hall bath that has a bathtub with a tiled surround and shower, a nice vanity, tiled floors, and 2 additional bedrooms that are also a great size. Now, if you're anything like me, you're gonna love this next part. Down here in the basement, we've got a whole bunch of potential. It's all framed out, so think about what you could do with it. Maybe a playroom, a gym, or that home theater you've been dreaming about. And with winter rolling in, it's the perfect project to dive into. Outside, we're set up for all seasons. Sure, Wyoming winters might hide the blooms for now, but just wait until spring. And here are some of the pictures that show what this yard looks like in the spring and summer. And until then, you have this enclosed, covered patio without having to deal with the winter wind. One more thing I wanted to show you. This home has a brand new RV pad, and it's not just in the front of the house. It goes all the way back to the back end of the house. We would love to show you this home. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.